Region 5 Bicol. Fun fact about Bicol. Bicol got a famous Mayon volcano with a perfect cone shape. Spicy food like Bicol Express and rich in cultural heritage. The Bicol region of the Philippines has a rich history, initially inhabited by indigenous groups and later influenced by Spanish colonization and trade. Here are the cities in Bicol: Legazpi City, Ligao City, Tabaco City, Naga City, Iriga City, Masbate City, Sorsogon City. Let's talk about Legazpi City. Legazpi City was founded in 1573 and became a city in 1959, named after Spanish conquistador Miguel Lopez de Legazpi. 5 tourist attractions in Legazpi City: Mayon Volcano, Lignon Hill Nature Park, Cagsawa Ruins, Quintiday Green Hills, and the last one is Embarcadero de Legazpi. Festivals in Legazpi City: Ibalong Festival, Magayon Festival, Bicoloro Festival, and the last one, Cagsawa Festival.